Hola, mi nombre es Miguel y tengo una rosa para cada una de mis damas hoy en nuestra colaboración en el Rincón del Amor.
Miguel is blissful amongst the women. That's so sweet. Welcome to Up All Night DIY. I'm Monica. Thanks for joining me. Today, I'm participating in the Love Corner Collab with all of these fantastically talented creators. And, as if that weren't sweet enough, we're having a giftaway too. Just look at this bounty of Valentine treasure. There's even a $50 Amazon gift card. I know. What a treat. All you need to do to be eligible is watch the playlist and comment on each video with the creator's secret word. It's that easy. You must live in the continental United States to participate. All the information will be in the description box. Okay, I'm making this Valentine Porch liner. Let's get into it. I'm using this 4-foot by 8-inch wood plank for this project. I got it at Home Depot. The first thing I do is paint the edges with Ceramcoat black. This is going to be a negative stencil, so I undercoat my plank with Ceramcoat white. Using my silhouette, I cut my design from some contact paper, which is the bargain method compared to using stencil vinyl, and it works perfectly. I'll place them where I want them. Now, as I said, I've cut these with my silhouette, but you can also cut your vinyl by hand. Just trace your design onto some shelf liner. I got mine at Target. And just cut with your scissors. You can also use clear contact paper to transfer the elements onto your surface. Honestly, that's how I used to do it before I had my silhouette. If you do it by hand, you have to hand paint your letters that are inside the heart though. But that's not so bad. You could use the stencil too. Whatever works. With everything in place, I'll use Mod Podge and a cosmetic sponge to go all around all of the edges of the vinyl. This will prevent paint from bleeding beneath the design. The Mod Podge dries really quickly and it's totally worth the effort. Ceramcoat Bright Red will be my top coat. I brush on 2 applications. I'm using this trusty old stencil and Ceramcoat Watermelon to add some checks for interest. Time to peel and reveal. When I peel away the hearts, I'll leave the vinyl letter in place because I want that to remain white. The rest of the heart will get painted in shades of pink. Once again, I'll pounce Mod Podge over the edges of the letters. I'm painting 2 hearts with Ceramcoat Pop Pink and 2 with Ceramcoat Bubblegum, alternating them. These hearts will have an edge to kind of look 3D, so I'll leave that section unpainted for the mo. I'll come back to those later. This is the Pop Pink, and while I have the Pop Pink on the go, I'll paint both of the large hearts, and I'll also paint the wee hearts up at the top and bottom, the two that are going to be pop pink. And then I'll come back and paint all of the hearts that are going to be bubblegum. Bubblegum. I'll leave the center hearts white. And of course, I'll apply 2 coats to each of the hearts. I peel away the vinyl letters in the middle of the hearts. And now, I go back to those edges. I'll paint bubblegum heart edges with pop pink and the pop pink hearts with royal fuchsia. And I do the same on the wee hearts at the top and bottom. For the white heart, I'll use bubblegum, the lighter pink shade. And now we'll get fancy with some floating medium. I dip my brush into the medium and work it into the bristles by stroking it on my plate. I scoop up some bubblegum onto the corner of my brush, stroke it on my plate to get the gradient of color. With the paint corner of my brush to the edge of my letter B, I'll just stroke along that edge to lay down the shading, reloading my brush as needed. This is a flat shader brush. I think it's a number 8. I shade completely around the word B, and I'll do both sides of the edges. I shade all of one side, then I go back and shade the other. I also shade the wee white hearts with bubblegum. I'm using watermelon to shade the letters and the inside edges of the hearts. I shade their side edges. This time, the paint side of the brush will be to the inside edge, and I'll also shade the small hearts too. With Ceramcoat Deep Lilac, I'll shade the outside of all of the elements. This will give a 3D effect. Then I go back and I'll shade the right inside edge of the hearts with the deep lilac. I felt that they needed that extra punch. I spray my piece with Minwax Helmsman, which is an excellent outdoor sealer. As always, all supplies will be in the description box. And my secret word for the giftaway is sweetie. Remember, watch all the videos and comment each creator's secret word to be eligible for the giftaway. All information is in the description box. I want to thank all of the extraordinarily talented creators participating in the playlist, especially to sweet CeeJ for bringing us all together. I hope you enjoyed watching and are inspired to give it a go. Friday is my usual upload day. Hope you'll stop back then. Best of luck, everyone. Stay creative, my friends. Thanks for hanging with me. See you next time. Up all night with Monica.